This light is so long. Bell or Burger King? Taco Bell. Here we are to gain another 500 calories.
We haven't had Taco Bell for a long time.
It's not the fact that we haven't had it in a long time. It's the fact that every time we have it, we gain about 1,000 calories. And it's very hard to burn 300 calories on the treadmill, so who cares?
I'll tell you what, we'll go to the gym tomorrow.
Yeah. You've been saying that the past 5 days. Yeah, because we're married. I mean, I guess we should look good for each other, but when you're married, you just, you know, who do you have to impress?
Oh, God.
Unless you're cheating on me, then okay. Alright, whatever. You're welcome.
Are you okay with sharing that?
Can I have a, yeah, I'm cool. Can I get a number 9, please? It comes with 2 crunchy tacos to bring. And a,
Drink, do
the Baja Blast Freeze. Can I get the strawberry one?
Drink.
Why?
I want the regular Baja Blast.
No, ugh.
Yes, and you can get yours drink separate.
Can we get a large Baja Blast Freeze?
No, I want the regular.
It's hot.
And on Mexican pizza, would you like extra the beef on it for just 50 cents?
Sure. Hey, you like the freeze better.
And what about the tacos? Would you like extra the beef on tacos too?
Sure.
Got you. What else for you?
Just add it for $1.50.
Oh shit. Regular beef is fine on both.
On the tacos?
Yeah.
On the top, yeah.
Okay.
And the Mexican pizza.
No, the pizza's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind. You can leave the pizza.
You said on pizza is fine, right?
Yep. And then can I get a large wild strawberry freeze?
Large wild strawberry freeze?
Yep.
What else for you?
That's it. Damn.
Any sauces for you?
18. Just a lot of fire sauces.
And would you like to round up your value to the $19 for the Taco Bell Foundation today, sir?
No, I'd like them to give me money. I'm just kidding. Yeah. No.
Okay, it's gonna be 18.41. See you at the second.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're okay with that, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm chilling.
Half a pizza.
Yeah,
and
I'm good.
You might have the taco.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm good. No worries. I know you like the freeze because it's colder. The regular Baja Blast,
Fizziness.
that is very fizzy. That's enough
It's
fizziness.
not.
It's
I
disgusting.
wanted the drink.
Whenever you go cold, you don't go back.
I wanted the drink.
Okay, honey. You want me to tell him to change it?
Oh, it's already made.
Okay. Hello.
$18.41.
Apple pay me.
Mild and hot.
Let Apple pay. Apple's paying for this meal.
Okay, fire.
Apple?
No.
Can we get a lot of fire sauce too?
Mild.
And mild, please. Otherwise, my wife is gonna eat me instead. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Take your mild sauce. Give me one.
You literally. Can I have fire? I
Can I
said
mild? Like, you need to mild down.
I said mild.
You need to be mild. How about you mild yourself?
Never. I'm fiery.
Yeah, no, you're Diablo.
Oh, we didn't get Diablo. That's all good.
Diablo's like too hot.
It's good.
Are you good?
My grandma was eating the fucking Diablo.
Hey, no cussing. This is a family-friendly channel.
Okay, church. I'm sorry.
Guys, we've been married for about 3 years now, and she never fails to amaze me at how nagging she is. Oh my god, mild, can I get a mild? Like, mild down, girl. You are what you eat, right? So mild down. What even is mild? It's not even good. Hot sauce is, the fire sauce is fire. Mild is so bland.
No, I like the taste of it.
All right, whatever. All right, you happy? Are you satisfied? Okay, cool. I love you.
Have you?
Yes, when you're married for 3 years in a row and you haven't had a single issue, you tend to become bipolar, because that is how you don't get into fights, is just be bipolar. Man, I really do love this mid-size SUV. It's so much better than a sedan. Guys, if you're gonna buy a sedan, you might as well go with the mid-size CX-50. It's just so much more safe. It protects you more. You're higher up. You feel like you're more guarded, like I said. It's more about a safety thing. I just feel more safe in this car. And it's all-wheel drive, so you know, you won't slip in the rain, for an example. But if you guys enjoyed this quick nighttime POV of the CX-50, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below what car you guys want to see next. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss out on my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Good job, babe. All right, bye guys.